You want the best for your car? You already watch our tutorials.
So the best place for the best deal is to buy from the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
You will find the bulb control arms used in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website and through the link in the description. Turn your engine off and pull up the handbrake. In order to make changes to the control arms on your vehicle, you must lift the front of the car and remove the wheels. This will give you full access to the suspension system. Loosen the stud bolts on the front wheels. Raise the front of the vehicle and put it in the 2-axle stands. We strongly suggest watching the tutorial, raising your vehicle safely before carrying out this step. You will then be able to take off the wheels. Don't forget to slide them under the vehicle. Remove the key on the castellated nut on the control arm ball joint with a flathead screwdriver. Then unscrew the nut using a 19mm spanner. Using a ball joint puller, separate the steering knuckle ball joint. Using a crowbar, lever off and remove the control arm on the steering knuckle. On this vehicle, the sway bar link is directly attached to the control arm. You therefore have to remove it. To do this, we recommend watching the video How to Replace the Sway Bar Links Aygo 1. Using a socket wrench and an 18mm socket, unscrew and remove the 2 holding screws on the control arm. To quickly remove the control arm, take a crowbar or an iron bar and take out the front of the control arm to begin with. This is because the back part is blocked in the rails. Once free, you can slide out the back part. You can now remove the control arm. Start by brushing, then greasing the location on the control arm to facilitate the installation.
Please support us. Subscribe and like the video, that will be really cool.
You will find the bulk parts and products used in the video on the Mr. Auto site and in the link in the description. Unscrew the castellated nut supplied with it. Take the new control arm. Start by inserting the back part and sliding it into its housing. Once in place, roughly screw in the screws by hand. Pivot the control arm to put the front part into the housing. Tip: we recommend sliding the control arm into the steering knuckle to push the control arm more easily into its housing. You can also tap it with a hammer to help. Once in place, insert the screw and then screw it in. Finish off the tightening with a torque wrench. Put the sway bar link back in. Screw the screw using a 90mm spanner. Take the new key and put it in place on the castellated nut. Fold the key using pliers. put the wheels of your vehicle back on and lower it to the ground. During this operation, you will work on the steering system of your vehicle. Regulated and perfectly aligned, it aims to ensure perfect control of your vehicle and regular wear on the front tires. Checks on tire alignment, when carried out by a professional, will guarantee that your steering system has been perfectly aligned and is in good working order. Operation completed.
Hello, if this video helped you, like and subscribe.